Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Holden Cruze sedan, stock reference number 5107. The shape runs from the third month 2011 through to the first month 2017. It has an F18D4 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. F18D4 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left boot lid garnish. Tidy rear bumper cover. Park sensor tight. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right hand boot lid garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror has clear peeling on the top of the cover. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type center console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack MyLink CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 3-spoke steering wheel, vinyl with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.